Unraveling the truth, facts and myths about whales. Welcome to our enlightening journey into the world of whales, where we uncover the truths, unravel the mysteries, and distinguish fact from fiction. In this captivating video, we embark on an exploration of the fascinating facts and enduring myths surrounding the magnificent creatures known as whales. Get ready to dive deep into the oceanic realm as we unravel the enigmatic nature of these gentle giants, the whales, and discover the astonishing realities that lie beneath the surface. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to be astonished as we delve into the captivating world of whales, separating truth from the legends that have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Facts about whales. Size and magnitude. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. The blue whale, for example, holds the title for being the largest animal that has ever existed, with lengths reaching up to 100 feet and weighing around 200 tons. Longevity. Whales have an impressive lifespan. Some species, like the bowhead whale, can live for over 200 years. Migration. Many whale species undertake long migrations, covering thousands of miles each year. They travel between feeding grounds in colder waters and breeding grounds in warmer waters. Vocalizations. Whales communicate through intricate songs and sounds. These vocalizations can travel for long distances and play a crucial role in their social interactions and mating rituals. Social behavior. Whales are highly social animals, often living in groups called pods. They display complex social structures, with individuals cooperating and communicating with one another. Myths about whales. Whales are fish. One common myth is that whales are fish. In reality, whales are mammals and share more similarities with humans and other mammals than with fish. Whales are dangerous and aggressive towards humans. While it is important to respect the personal space of whales, most species are known to be gentle and non-threatening towards humans. Instances of aggressive behavior are rare and usually occur when whales feel threatened or provoked. Whales are always in captivity. Although there are cases of whales being kept in captivity in marine parks and aquariums, the majority of whale populations remain in their natural habitats in the oceans. Whales are voracious predators. Contrary to popular belief, not all whales are predatory. While some species, like the killer whale, do prey on other marine animals, others, such as the blue whale, are filter feeders that primarily consume krill and plankton. Whales are extinct or endangered. While some whale species have faced significant threats and are listed as endangered, conservation efforts and international regulations have helped recover and stabilize populations of certain whale species. Facts about whales. Breathing and blowholes. Whales are mammals that breathe air, and they have blowholes on top of their heads through which they exhale and inhale. Diverse species. There are over 90 species of whales, ranging from the massive blue whale to the agile and acrobatic humpback whale. Feeding strategies. Whales employ various feeding strategies. Baleen whales use baleen plates to filter small organisms, while toothed whales hunt and capture prey, including fish and squid. Deep divers. Some whale species can dive to extreme depths. The sperm whale holds the record for the deepest dive, reaching depths of over 3,000 meters, 9,800 feet. Echolocation. Toothed whales, such as dolphins and orcas, use echolocation to navigate and locate prey. They emit sounds and interpret the echoes that bounce back to create a mental map of their surroundings. Myths about whales. Whales are fish. As mentioned earlier, whales are not fish but mammals. They give live birth, nurse their young with milk, and have lungs for breathing. Whales are always friendly and approachable. While whales can display curiosity towards boats and humans, they are still wild animals and should be treated with respect and caution. Approaching them too closely can disrupt their natural behavior. Whales communicate through songs. Although some whales produce complex vocalizations like songs, not all species sing. Communication among whales involves a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and body slapping. Whales are solitary creatures. While some whale species are more solitary, many whales, such as orcas and humpback whales, live in social groups called pods or pods of pods, displaying complex social dynamics and communication. Whales are slow swimmers. Despite their massive size, whales are incredibly agile swimmers. They can reach impressive speeds when needed, particularly during feeding or migration. Facts about whales. Breaching behavior. Whales are known for their spectacular breaching behavior, where they leap out of the water and crash back in with a loud splash. The exact reason behind this behavior is still not fully understood, but it is believed to serve various purposes, including communication, parasite removal, or play. Whale songs. Certain whale species, such as humpback whales, are known for their complex and melodic songs. These songs can last for hours and are thought to be primarily sung by male whales during the breeding season. Migratory patterns. Whales undertake long-distance migrations between their feeding and breeding grounds. These journeys can span thousands of miles and often involve crossing entire ocean basins. Blubber. Whales have a thick layer of blubber, a specialized fat tissue, that serves as insulation and energy storage. It helps them maintain body temperature in cold waters and provides a source of energy during long migrations. Whale conservation. Due to historical whaling practices, many whale species have experienced severe population declines. However, concerted conservation efforts, such as the international ban on commercial whaling, have contributed to the recovery of several whale populations. Myths about whales. Whales are water creatures and never come on land. Whales are fully adapted to life in the water and cannot survive on land. They are dependent on water for breathing, movement, and feeding. Whales can swallow humans. While whales have large throats and mouths, their esophagus is not wide enough to swallow a human whole. They primarily feed on small organisms or larger prey that can be easily swallowed in manageable pieces. Whales are dangerous to ships. While collisions between whales and ships can occur, whales do not intentionally pose a threat to ships. They are generally aware of their surroundings and will try to avoid collisions if possible. Whales have a blowhole on their back. Contrary to popular depictions, the blowhole of a whale is located on top of its head, not on its back. This allows them to surface and breathe without completely exposing their bodies. Whales are colorblind. Whales, like many marine mammals, have some degree of color vision. While their color perception may differ from that of humans, they are not completely colorblind. In conclusion, exploring the world of whales has revealed a fascinating blend of facts and myths. Through this enlightening journey, we have learned that whales are not only awe-inspiring in their immense size and longevity but also exhibit complex social behaviors and remarkable adaptations for survival. While dispelling myths, we have gained a deeper understanding of their true nature and the importance of respecting their habitats. It is crucial to rely on scientific knowledge and ongoing research to separate fact from fiction when it comes to these majestic creatures. By appreciating the facts and dispelling the myths, we can foster a greater sense of awe and empathy for whales, driving efforts for their conservation and ensuring the preservation of their remarkable legacy in the oceans. So let us continue to explore, learn, and champion the truth about whales, working together to protect their future and the ecosystems they call home.